Brings back memories. Here's my bed, y'all, and first off, I want to show you, I have well, first off, this is an old army bed that is supposed to have that old cottony, you know the mattress, the old cottony filler stuff, but this mattress is one I bought at Walmart, and it is the kind of bed that, yeah, see, it's all old and rusty. It's the kind of bed that you don't need the box spring for. And then I've got these rag rugs so that it doesn't snag my mattress. Now my mattress is covered. And then on top of my mattress, I have a feather bed. See that? So that's why my bed looks all lumpy and everything. But I wanted to show off the quilts that my mother made. Now here's that blanket that I made the other day. I made a video on that. But my mother, she made this one big quilt. Now see, I've got it cut into two. What it was is all of my sisters, we all sewed. And this is all that old polyester. See, that old polyester. Remember that? Everything was polyester. So this was back in the 70's, the 60's. See? And then she backed it with an old bedspread, old bed cover. And so all my sisters, except for the oldest one, we all took up sewing, and my mom used all this polyester to make a great big, now see, I even have a pajama made, had a pajama made out of this. We all sewed, see, there's my blanket I made. We all sewed, and so my mom took all these scraps. See, she took all these scraps and she made one great big king-size quilt. Well, of course, I had to do some repair on this. As you see, I had to add, well, it just needed some repairs. So what I did, because really I didn't need this is a single bed here, y'all. I didn't need a king-size quilt. So what I did is when I repaired the quilt, I went ahead and just cut it in half and made 2 twin quilts out of it. But that's what I've got on my bed, my mama's quilt, so I kind of get to hug my mama every night when I go to bed. And I just wanted to show you my mama's quilt. See, she hand tied it and everything, and I probably had a top made out of this, and maybe even some pants made out of that, and this was a dress, I think, from one of my sisters. I know this was a dress from one of my sisters, but I just had to do a little bragging here. Keeps me warm in more than one way. I get to think of my mama as I sleep at night. Thanks for watching, guys. Shalom, shalom.